Cracks in concrete? Don't just patch them. Seal them permanently with Sikadur 20 Crack Seal from Build Chemicals. This high-performance, two-component epoxy sealant is specially formulated to repair cracks in concrete, masonry, and plaster with lasting strength. Easy to mix, easy to apply, Sikadur 20 deeply penetrates cracks, bonding strong from the inside out. Once cured, it forms a tough, durable seal, resistant to weather, chemicals, and time. From homes to heavy-duty structures, trust Build Chemicals and Sikadur 20 Crack Seal for professional-grade repairs. Seal it right. Seal it strong. Visit buildchemicals.com or contact us today.